Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to purchase cryptocurrencies from Binance. It's very easy to do. There is lots of different cryptocurrencies you can buy on here. The most popular now being like Dogecoin, Cardano, VeChain. There's lots of different coins you can buy on here. So I'm going to show you guys basically what you guys need to do. Now, first things first, you have to have an account, obviously. So if you don't have an account already, just click on register now, and then just fill in the information that you need to register. It is actually really easy to do, just takes a couple minutes. If you guys need me to make a video showing you guys how to register, just let me know. I'll be happy to make one for you guys. Anyhow, once you have your account, you just want to log into it. Once you're logged in, you should be good to start. Now, the first thing you guys need to do is put money into your account. That is very easy as well. You do have a couple different options that you guys can do. And now, if you just navigate over to Buy Crypto, you'll see up here, it says Pay With. This will be the currency that you have in your native country. Mine would be Canadian, but it could be US dollar, British pound, euros, doesn't really matter. But then you have to choose the option that you want to transfer in with. So there is credit and debit card, which is what I use because it's instantaneous. There's also bank transfer as well, but I know depending on what bank you guys have, it might take a little bit of time and that might affect what you're trying to do. But anyways, I would recommend using credit and debit if you guys have that option in your country. So what you guys need to do is just click on the credit or debit option or whatever option that you guys want to transfer in with. And then what I would recommend doing is when you transfer into Binance, I would transfer it into USDT. Which is just going to be the tether option. It's just because it is more stable. It is less likely to receive a correction or anything like that when you're in the midst of buying coins, where Bitcoin can be quite volatile sometimes. So I really recommend using USDT. So you just want to type in USDT here and then click on that. Once you guys do that, you just want to click on the amount of money that you want to put in. So let's just say if I wanted to put in $1,000, I can go in and type $1,000 and then it would convert it into USDT. So that would convert to 791.82 USDT. Now, all you got to do is click on Buy USDT here at the bottom. Once you guys do that, it will put that into your wallet so you're able to trade with it on the platform. So once you guys do that, you can navigate over to trade right here, and you want to click on Convert. Now to purchase the Polkadot coin, all you guys have to do is come over to this page right here, and then you want to make sure this is on USDT. Once it's on USDT, you guys can just click on this drop-down menu right here and just search for the Polkadot. So it'll just be dot, and then you want to click on Polkadot. And then you have two options here. You can either click up here and decide how much USDT that you want to transfer over. So let's just say if I want to do 100, I can type in 100 USDT. Or I can go to the bottom here and type in how much Polkadot I want to buy. So let's just say if I want to buy 5 Polkadot, I can do that as well. Either way, whatever way works for you. After you're done doing that, you want to click on Preview Conversion. And that will show you the exchange that you're going to get. So for 5 DOT, if I wanted to buy 5 DOT, it would cost me 177 USDT. Now, obviously, right now it says I have an insufficient balance because I have no funds in this account. But if you had the appropriate balance for what you're looking to change here, then it will allow you to go through with this transaction. And it will just tell you to confirm at the bottom here where it says refresh for me. But yeah, once you guys have that done, it will then put the DOT into your wallet, the same wallet that you have your USDT in. And to navigate over to there, you just go to wallet and then overview, and then we'll show you your cryptocurrencies that you just converted over. Now, if you guys want me to show you guys how to change this over to a wallet or transfer your DOT over to a wallet that's more safe, just let me know. I'll be happy to make another video showing you guys how to do that. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to buy Polkadot from Binance. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.